With holiday shopping in full swing, gift card purchases and usage are at their peak. And while gift cards really make great presents, they can become a target for scammers. Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union is here to share essential tips on how to safely purchase and use those gift cards this holiday season. Let's welcome Jonathan Wesson, Madison Branch Manager from Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union. Jonathan, nice to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. Always love getting a good gift card, but what are the things we should know about using and getting gift cards safely?
Well, thanks for having me on. When it comes to gift cards, one of the things that's really important is that time matters when it comes to gift cards. Scammers are using AI and scanning bots right now to test the hundreds, thousands of gift card combinations to see if they're activated. And the scanning bot can, once it's activated, it can actually take the funds off of the card. So it's really important that you wait to activate that gift card until you're ready to use it. And try, if you can, to use it within minutes.
Wow.
Think of it as like putting cash on your dashboard of your car. The longer it sits there, the more likely it is to be stolen.
All right, so let's talk about how to safely activate our gift cards.
So when again, these scammers, they become more and more sophisticated. And right now they're creating fake websites. When you're going to search, like, I want to activate my gift card balance or check my gift card balance, there's fake websites that look like they're real. And you're entering your information and where they're able to steal it. So the best way to protect yourself when it comes to activating your card is by simply calling the phone number that's printed directly on the back of the gift card. That's your safest bet.
Okay.
If you have to use the website, make sure you're on the retailer's official website and not being redirected to one of the scammers. If you're unsure, you could always go into the retailer directly and ask for help or call their official customer service line.
Now, sometimes, people live far away. They send maybe a digital gift card. Are there any go-tos for making sure that that is received and used correctly as well for those digital gift cards?
Yeah, when it comes to digital gift cards, the one thing you want to make sure is that you don't leave that digital gift card in your inbox, right? That's where it's most vulnerable. So when you receive that, you want to transfer that gift card to either the retailer's digital wallet app or your own digital wallet app. Now, in addition to that, scammers love to use this gift card scam where they're like, hey, you've won a free gift card. Just enter this information. And a real authentic retailer is never going to ask you to pay a fee to activate your gift card or for your own personal information to activate your gift card. So if you're getting those, be very wary and stay clear.
Okay, those are some big red flags. So let's say we do want to purchase a gift card for someone that we love for the holidays. What tips do you have when we're actually looking to purchase the best gift card?
So something that people don't really, it's not really well known, is that those big, large gift card displays that you see in the store are a gold mine for scammers.
Oh.
What they like to do is they will scratch off the back side of the gift card, that protective layer, and they'll write down the secret code, and then they'll put a sticker over that they purchased from online. You go and get in line, you load that card, they're able to steal that money immediately. Right? So you want to try to avoid cards that are set out in the public. If you do use one of those cards, make sure you inspect it that it hasn't been tampered with. But I would recommend going to the customer service window and buying the gift card directly from the retailer where they're kept out of the public, or going to the retailer's official website and purchasing it from them directly there.
Great tips. So any final thoughts, Jonathan, as we get ready for the holiday season?
Gift cards are still a fantastic gift to give out. They're popular, they're convenient, they give you freedom. You just have to handle them with care. And if you apply the tips that we talked about today, you should be able to give that gift in confidence. If you're looking for more financial security tips for this holiday season, visit our website at schoolsfirstfcu.org.
Great tip. And visit also in person one of the many Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union branch locations as seen on the screen. And as Jonathan mentioned, you can always find out more online by going to schoolsfirstfcu.org.